Whether you have been using Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app to source and ship products from China for a very long time, or you are new to Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app, consider to stay tuned to this video and see how to use the balance in your Duoduo wallet, or how you can use your Duoduo wallet to pay for goods on Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app to any store without any stress. Quite a lot number of people are not aware of this Duoduo wallet. In fact, some people does not know that they have money somewhere on Pinduoduo. So consider to stay tuned to this video and see how to check your Duoduo wallet balance and how you can use your Duoduo wallet to make payments for goods on Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. Let me show you how. Open up your Pinduoduo app. Having opened up your Pinduoduo shopping app, it's going to load up right here. Now, let me quickly give a brief information about Duoduo Wallet. Duoduo Wallet is another means of payment on Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app, which is supported and protected by Pinduoduo Corporation. This Duoduo Wallet here, if you make a purchase from any store, you have a cashback. The cashback is being deposited to your Duoduo Wallet. If you have a refund, sometimes you make payments with your bank card, whether Visa card or MasterCard, and you have a refund. Some of the refund are being deposited to your Duoduo Wallet. That Duoduo Wallet, you can use it to make a purchase from any store on Pinduoduo without any stress, using the same other payment password to authorize the payment on Pinduoduo. How can you access your Duoduo Wallet and how can you use it for payment of your goods on Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app to any store? Let me show you how. But before we dive into tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure a link on 1688, Taoba, JD.com, Shenyun, or any Chinese e-commerce app or website, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, consider to reach out to me on my WhatsApp via the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on here to go to you right here. Like I said, you need to make sure you have funds in your wallet. So for that, go ahead and click on wallet right here. So here you go. As at the time of making this video, I have 7.10 yuan in my wallet right here. So this wallet here, how can we use it to pay for goods on Pinduoduo shopping app? Let's go. Next thing you want to do is to go back right here. Then you can use this wallet to pay for any goods on Pinduoduo. Let's say, for instance, I want to use the wallet balance to purchase this. Go ahead and select a particular product you want to pay for. Having selected a particular product, go ahead and click on here, almost gone. So go ahead and click on that. That's going to take you right here, okay? And the next thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and simply click on here. And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on here to see more. Click on here. Now you have more payment options right here. So at this point here, simply click on Duoduo Pay right here. Select Duoduo Pay. Once you select Duoduo Pay, then go ahead and click on Place Order. Then once you click on Place Order, enter your payment authorization password and the payment will be done successful. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks on how to source and ship products from China using Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app, consider to subscribe. And lastly but not the least, if you want me to procure a link on 1688, Taoba, JD.com, Shenyun, or any Chinese e-commerce app or website, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, consider to reach out to me on my WhatsApp via the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.